If you need to contact Epic Games live chat support, this video will walk you through the fastest way to do it step by step. Whether you're dealing with an account issue, a purchase problem, a game download error, or anything related to your Epic Games account, the support chat can help you get answers without having to search around forever. Before we jump in, if this tutorial saves you time, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and support guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to the Epic Games help page. This is the official support area where you can find help articles and contact options for different problems. Once the page loads, look to the bottom right corner of the screen. You should see a floating chat bubble, which is the Epic Support Assistant. Click that chat bubble to open the live support assistant. When the chat window appears, you'll be able to start typing your issue. Be clear and specific about what you need help with. For example, you can mention if you're locked out of your account, having trouble with two-factor authentication, missing V-Bucks, a refund issue, or an error while launching a game. The more clearly you describe the problem, the easier it is for the support assistant to guide you to the right solution. After typing your message, send it through the chat. In some cases, the assistant may give you automated steps right away, and in other cases, it may help connect you to the next available support option. Make sure to follow any prompts it gives you because it may ask for extra details to narrow down your issue. Once you've sent your message and reviewed the response, you've completed the process of contacting Epic Games live chat support. It really is that simple. Just remember to use the official Epic Games help page, open the support assistant from the floating chat bubble, describe your issue clearly, and send the message. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your Epic Games issue resolved.